Itong kagandahan sa Sunday, walang truck. At tayo ay ma-unload agad. Pero nasa kabila daw yung dock door, number 13. Hanggang 12 lang dito. Atras na lang tayo. Hindi, pwedeng iikot. At pahirapan ko yung atras, pwede naman iikot. Ikot, 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 ikot. Walang truck. Dalawa lang kami. Yung isa tapos na nag-unload. Tapos ako ngayon. Door number 13. Yan na yung 13, no? Mayroong truck, mayroong trailer. Ay, nako. Sabi niya wala daw, ready na. Green light na. I-red light pa, oh, tapos may trailer. Hay, balikan ko doon. Pero maglakad na lang ako. Ayun, may shutter. Usapin ko. Make friends with the shunter para maging madali ang buhay mo. Sabi ko, good morning sir, the receiving guy told me to go dock 13 because it's ready but there's a trailer, can you help me? Sabi niya, give me time, I will call him. Yan, tatanggalin niya. Eh, while waiting lang. Hi, yun nga, nandito na ako sa customer. Nag-drive ako ng 2.5 hours. After nito, tingnan natin kung ano ang next load. Sana pabalik na, pauwi na ng Toronto. Wala pa. Ito, may update. Yes sir.
Are you picking up a load from here after or no?
No details yet.
Okay, here's, you're gonna have a, you don't have to get on, go back out up there, find a hole, park your trailer, just drop it, and grab an empty, like right there, see in your mirror that bison sitting right there?
Yes.
You can take it.
Okay, so now I
So
go
you
to
can just drop it, hook and leave.
Okay, so I'll give them a call. That's the
Yeah, just tell them that, you know, you're gonna be, if it's a live unload, you're gonna be a long time.
Oh, how much time?
Probably 3 or 4 hours.
3 to 4 hours. Oh, I'll let them know first. What's their
Just
advice?
say, because you do have an empty here, so why sit here?
Yes, yes.
If you say, look, they told me to drop the trailer and take an empty.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, because I wanna go home.
Yeah, that's all you have to say to them. Look,
Okay, I'll call them first and then I'll wait for their advice.
yeah, they'll tell you on the phone, but if they tell you just to drop it, like we're telling you to drop it,
Okay.
and we'll give you the bills,
Okay.
and you just grab yourself that empty and say
Okay.
goodbye.
Good thing I didn't cut the seal yet. So,
Yeah, so you just
okay. Yeah, that's empty. I'll call them
grab
first.
that empty and say
Okay, thank.
that you,
So, can I just back up here or?
yeah, or turn around out back.
Okay. Thank you.
Whatever you want.
Thank you, sir.
It's Sunday, you want to go home, right? So drop and go.
Thank you, sir. Tawag ka. Drop and go. Eh di madalian tayo ngayon. Pre-trip ko, trailer. Yung isang gulong ko sa trailer, inner, uneven wear. Pwede pa siya, may tread pa, pero kailangan nilang i-check. Tapos yung mark light ko sa likod, corner, bottom, sa side part, both, hindi gumagana. So araw pa ngayon, pwede ko pang itakbo. Pero pag gabi na, kailangan kong ipaayos yan. So i-report ko na para pag park doon sa yard, ayusin nila. Ilagay ko dito sa inspection report. Ito yung schedule 1. Dito hanapin ang code kung ano ang defect. Trailer 82246. Una, gulong, tire 21. Left front inner uneven wear. Lights. Saan yung lights? Alphabetical to eh. Lamps 18. Both bottom, side, rear, mark light, not working. Ayos, type of inspection, pre-trip. Ayos. Yun lang kasimple ang trabaho ng driver. Pre-trip, post-trip, on-road vehicle check. Kung may ma-found out ka na defect, i-identify mo kung minor or major. Kung minor, pwede mo pag itakbo. Pag major, out of service ka, illegal ka sa daan. Kung may makita ka ng mga defect, i-input mo sa inspection report. Nandito yung mga codes. Yun lang. Load information. Load, new load. Empty.
Same one?
No. You wanna check?
No, is that a different one?
Different.
That's empty, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just needed to write it down. That's it.
I have to write. No need to physically check.
No, it's okay.
Okay. You trust me?
Yeah, I do. Well, usually they took the loaded, so that's why I just make sure. Okay, and you're good to go.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Do you like to continue your use of personal conveyance?
No. Hi guys, time check. 1:30, 1:30 sa hapon. Ako ay nakabalik na. Nag-start ako kanina mga 6:45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 plus 30, mga almost 8 hours. One trip lang, no? Pumunta doon sa Bilibid, Ontario, tapos balik dito ng empty. Yun lang, Sunday, happy Sunday. Ako ay mag tidy up na Yung mga lahat na kailangan kong iligpit, ilipat ko doon sa sasakyan. Ako ay magtanghalian muna. Sunday. Alright, salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Keep safe, drive safe, keep on trucking, and see you in my next video. Tayo ay uuwi na. Bye-bye truck. Bye-bye. Pakabait ka dyan ha. Alagaan mo yung mga kapatid mo. Yan, dami sila dyan. Bantayan mo. Sino mga truck ko? Mga pa. Hirap siguro i-drive yan. Dito na ako komportable yung maliit. Ako ay pauwi na. Dito ako dadaan sa Highway 407, yung toll road. Kasi diretso-diretso. Walang traffic. Sobrang traffic kasi dun sa 401, sa 407 ako. May bayad pero ayos lang. Bukas, Monday at Tuesday ako ay off. Home time, weekend ko. Pag sa tracking ka kasi, hindi fix ang weekend mo. Iba-ibang araw. Kaya isa yan sa i-consider mo na adjustment, no, kung gusto mong mag-tracking. Katulad ngayon, Sunday, karamihan is off. Pero kami, ako, nagtrabaho ako kahapon, Saturday at saka today. Ang off ko bukas, Monday at saka Tuesday. Last week, ang off ko ay Sunday at Monday. So, depende lang. May off pa rin, pero hindi lang fix ang araw. Okay lang sa akin kasi nasanay na ako. At saka yun talaga ang sa tracking. Maliban na lang kung ikaw ay local lang, city lang, fix ang araw na pasok. Fix din yung day off. Next week, Wednesday ako mag-umpisa, pero balik na ako ng Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 3 days lang. Kasi may gagawin ako ng Saturday. So yun lang, flexible.